Hello guys, welcome to our showroom. Here's Kason. I'm going to introduce the classical products rock lithium battery UNIV5200. Look at the battery. Two positive and negative terminals to support power and the parallel connection between the batteries. The parallel connection up to max 16 pieces to build 83.5 kWh system in total. Here comes the reset button, the CAN bus, RS485A and B, the auto dial code, fault light and SOC indicator to check the battery condition. Compared with the similar products in the market, the installation of UNIV5200 is simple and cost-effective. It can be installed stackable or hanged on the wall. Of course, it can also be put in the standard cabinet. We provide 10 years warranty using brand new grade A cells with excellent performance, and there's almost no after-sales service to our BMS. Compatible with the most inverter in the market, just like DE, Solis, SolarX, and the Victron. If you are interested or still any questions, welcome to contact us and view more videos to learn other products. Bye.